Hey guys, so this is how to access CapCut templates. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. So the first way is to open up CapCut, and if you look at the bottom, the options at the bottom, the second one from the left is templates. So just go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see the categories for the templates at the top. So if you want to see all of them, just click on the down arrow at the right. And then you're going to see all of the template categories. And then you can go ahead and choose from these templates, and you can see a preview for all of them. And if you want to go ahead and choose one of them, let's say this egg one looks kind of funny. So if you like a template, just go ahead and click on the use template button at the bottom. And then you just need to go ahead and choose the video or the photo that you are going to use on the template. So for me, I'm just going to choose just a random video, for example. And then I will click on next. And there you have it. You are now using the template on your own media. Now let me go ahead and show you the other way to access the CapCut templates. So the second way is actually by using TikTok. So if you go ahead and open up TikTok and go to the search bar, so just click on the search icon at the top right, and then into the search bar type CapCut templates. You're going to find a bunch of accounts and a bunch of videos that are using the templates for CapCut. So if you go ahead and just choose any account and then go to a video that you like or a template that you like, you're going to find this button that says CapCut try this template. So if you like the template, just click on it. And then it's going to automatically open CapCut for you if you click on the use template in CapCut button. And then you're going to see the preview for the video. So just click on the use template button at the bottom. And you can go ahead and choose the media you want to use the template on. So this was how to access CapCut templates. Hope that video is helpful.